When purchasing a winding machine, most buyers care a lot about what high precision, high speed, and high rigidity actually mean. Today we illustrate it with a real test case. The customer has strict requirements: cost saving without self-bonding wire, high rotating speed, precise wire arrangement, and high mass production yield. We tested with 1 mm enameled wire, gradually increasing the speed from 100 rpm to 1000 rpm. The machine runs smoothly and steadily with no wide deviation at all. This fully reflects the advantages of Xiepu winding machines: optimized overall structure with high rigidity and strong deformation resistance. Solid mechanical benchmark ensures no position offset or precision drift after long-term operation. Stable performance even at high speed. Adopting modular design, it is easy to maintain and simple to operate. Xiepu winding machines effectively upgrade coil quality and production efficiency, making your products more competitive in the market.